In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email list from Mailchimp to Kit. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can move your subscribers over smoothly and keep your email marketing running without interruption. By the end of this video, you'll have your Mailchimp audience connected to Kit and syncing correctly. First, we need to grab an API key from your Mailchimp account. This key is what allows Kit to securely talk to Mailchimp and pull in your subscriber data. In your Mailchimp dashboard, head up to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From there, go to Profile, then look for the section called Extras. Under Extras, you'll see an option for API keys. Go ahead and click that. On the API keys page, you'll see any keys you've already created. But for this connection, it's best to generate a fresh one so you know exactly what it's being used for. Click the button that says Create a Key. Mailchimp will generate a new key for you. You can give it a clear name or label, something like Kit Connection, so that later on, you'll remember what this key is for. Once the key is created, carefully copy the entire code. Make sure you don't share this key publicly, and avoid pasting it anywhere except where it's specifically requested, because it grants access to your Mailchimp account. Now that you've got your Mailchimp API key, switch over to Kit. In Kit's dashboard, look for the main navigation option called Grow. Click on Grow, and then select Subscribers. This is where you manage everyone on your email list inside Kit. On the Subscribers page, you'll see an option to add more people to your list. Click on Add Subscribers, and from the choices that appear, select Other Provider. This tells Kit that you're importing from a different email tool. In the list of providers, choose Mailchimp. Kit will now prompt you to paste in the API key you just copied from Mailchimp. Paste the key into the field carefully, double-check for any missing characters or extra spaces, and then confirm. Once your Mailchimp account is connected, you're ready to finalize the sync. Click on Continue Import. Kit will now pull in your available Mailchimp audiences. Choose the specific audience you want to import into Kit. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage multiple lists in Mailchimp. When you're happy with your selection, click Start Import. Kit will begin importing your subscribers from Mailchimp. Depending on the size of your audience, this might take a little time, but once it's done, your list will be available in Kit and ready for your next campaign.